Shout out to the real that got up, got it out the mud. We started off at nothing, now we the same ones that run it up. They hate on. You know what it is, I gotta go get it. They say they let us hey, I'm praying to God they give me more.
Box Chevy. Preparing the dash, giving it a whole new look.
Hey, GA, you know how to progress in these streets. Kinda like this beat. But you know when you finally get that shit together, hey, you know what it is, I gotta go get it. They say they let us hey, I'm praying to God they give me more bands and don't let them play with my throne and never ever see a vacancy. The hood, you make it out, yeah, you made it. You know it's dog eat dog, so you already know.
What's up, YouTube? Repaired 89 box Chevy dash. It was all busted up. My man had a cover over the top. I didn't like that because I'm just doing a lot of work to it, so I want to give him something unique. We'll have the custom plexi glass grills for the vents, the AC, and the speaker. We'll put red rum right there on the top. Just giving you guys some footage where we at. The box should be headed out to the paint shop this week. This is today's work. Get my bondo and fill in some spots, just sand down. It's gonna look nice. It's all fiberglass. It won't break this time.
I said, can't be broke, got to get out here and get it. Took me patience, time to get it, huh? It's safe to say that struggle made a hustler out of me. Out of me, out of me, out of me, out of me. I guess it's safe to say that struggle made a hustle, 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 hustle.
What, 77, 78, 79. So I make these bumper fillers. A lot of guys missing them from the 77 through the 79 on the box Chevy. You know, I make those.
Up, showing love to all the real. Still numb to how I hate or feel, cause they just wanna